Guys, your girl Hunchovb VB back with another video. Today I'm going to do a review on this Zatarain'S chicken frying mix. And I guess what got me is it says it's crispy southern. Okay, let's get started. I have washed some party wings. I have my baggie. So I'm going to put some breading in the baggie. I'm not going to use the whole box because this is quite a big box. Okay, Zatarain'S chicken frying mix. I'm not using any other seasoning. I'm just going to try this. My baggie. Okay, so you see how much I have in the baggie. And I'm going to put this in the air fryer. Today I'm going to use my Delonghi Air Fryer. Okay, let's get these all battered. Shake them up, shake them up, shake, shake, shake them up. Okay, they look pretty good to me. Yeah, let's get these over in the air fryer. Okay, I got the wings over in the air fryer. Okay, I didn't spray the wings. I think it should make their own enough grease because, you know, it's all that skin. I have it set at 400. This one has a bottom burner as well. I'm going to keep the bottom burner on and come back in, let's try 25 minutes. Okay, I just turned off the wings. I took it another 5 minutes, so that was a total of 30 minutes. And you see they're golden brown. I'm going to take them out and get them plated. So be right back. Okay, my grandson is going to give you a taste test. Oh, I hear the crunch. Okay, my grandson's kind of bashful, so let me do a taste test. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. This is good. Okay, this is good. I do like my food a little bit more seasoned. It's still very good. I think next time I might add a little garlic salt or something like that. But this is good. So this is still a winner. Yes. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I just want you all to know I appreciate every one of you. I thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.